let me record from my side and let me share the screen. Okay, so just a minute, we are facing troubles while resetting the password. Let me, okay, let me reset the password using different policies. Choose SQL authentication, Joshi, and I'm giving the default password of Joshi. So it will ask us to change the password. New password will be, let me just tell me any password with at least eight characters.
You can use today Saturday, right? Saturday at the rate 07 today date.
Let me check. Okay, Saturday. I don't know whether it is going to accept at the rate symbol or not. I have to check it. Saturday at the rate 07. Okay. Fine. Very good. Okay. So it just accepted the Saturday. Shiva, let me give you the permission. Shiva. Yes, Shiva, you can record the session. Okay. Right now, same process. Okay. Now also Joshi don't have permissions on any database. Okay. She will get the error like this. Joshi can log into the SQL server. Okay. Again, the functionality wise, there is no difference between a SQL login and a Windows login. Everything will behave same. Okay. Login wise, we have to follow different way for Windows login. We have to follow a different process for SQL login. That is the only difference. Permissions wise, both logins are same. Clear? Joshi is just a login. Joshi doesn't have access on any database. If you want to see, okay, just let me refresh this Joshi. Okay, let me go to the security. Let me double click on Joshi. Let me go to the user mapping. Okay, see here. Now Joshi wants to access sales database. Okay, if you see here, if you go to the, this is Joshi section. Okay, this is Joshi section, right? Joshi is trying to expand sales database. Now she is getting the error. The database sales is not accessible, right? Okay, so if you see here, this is sysadmin. This login is sysadmin. Okay, it can do anything. Don't confuse here. This administrator is sysadmin. So that's why I can expand the databases. I can see again. See here, I'll show you the users also. Expand database. One more security will be there under databases. Okay, if you expand security, you can see the users here. See here, there is no Joshi user right here. Right, there is no Joshi user. By default, you will get DBO user, guest, information schema, sys. These are the 4 default users you will get by default. Okay. Now let me give access to Joshi on sales database. How can I give access to Joshi on any database? Only a sysadmin can give access, guys. Okay. Now administrator is a sysadmin, so he can give access to Joshi. Joshi cannot get her own password or her own permissions. I cannot, okay, what we can say, I cannot get my own permissions in the SQL server. Someone who is having the permissions only can give the permissions to me. Okay, I cannot make myself as a sysadmin. Someone has to give sysadmin permissions to me. Okay, let me go to the security. Let me go to the logins. Double click on the Joshi login. Okay, this window is there. Right now Joshi wants to access sales database. Once Joshi click on sales database, see here a user Joshi is going to be created, and just mention a schema name. By default DBO is the schema name. Now click OK. Okay, now see here, under the sales table, under the security, under the users, Joshi user is created. Now go to Joshi section. Okay, this is administrator section, right? Now go to Joshi section. Earlier, while accessing this database, Joshi got the error, right? The database is not accessible. Now if you expand, now Joshi can access the data objects. Okay, this is how we are going to give access to any login on any database. But again, Joshi cannot access the tables. See here, Joshi can access the database only. Don't think like Joshi can access the tables in the database. See here, in the actual sales database, okay, if you expand the tables, there are 2 tables, employee and student. But if you see the same database, if you expand the tables, Joshi cannot see any tables. Why? Because Joshi is not an authorized person to see the tables. Again, getting access on server means don't think you can access all the databases. Again, getting access on database means don't think you can access all the tables in the database. No. Again, I have to provide separate set of permissions to see the tables for Joshi. Okay. Now Joshi can only see some of the objects, not all the objects in the database. Now Joshi is authorized to see some of the objects. Based on the permissions, if I give extra permission to Joshi, reader, writer, then only she can see other tables and all. Until then, she cannot see the tables also. This is the proof. Actually, there are two tables, employee table and sales student table is there in the sales database, but Joshi cannot see the tables. Okay, if you see here under sales, see here employee student table. These two are tables. Okay, but here Joshi cannot see those tables. Why? Because Joshi is not an authorized person to see those tables. If if Joshi wants to see those tables, I have to provide extra permissions. This is how it will work. Any issues, any doubts? Tomorrow I'll show you how to create a group login. Okay.
Sir, from one system, how many users can log in, sir?
There is no limit again. Okay. If it is a remote login, only at a time 2 persons can log in. Okay. Direct remote login. If it is a remote login, if you want to access to the Windows machine, at a time only 2 people and 1 admin, total 3 people can log into the Windows machine at a time. If it is SQL Server, all users, 32,767 users can connect at a time. See here under Joshi, see here, this connection is for Joshi. So you can see Joshi name here. Okay, this is administrator connection. You can see administrator name here. Administrator is having all privileges where Joshi doesn't have all the privileges. Okay, any questions, guys? Any questions, any doubts? Again, go through those recordings. Okay. Yes, sometimes you will feel some kind of difficulty, I know. Okay. Again, go through those recordings and try to practice it. At least if you don't practice till now, that is okay. Later also you can understand. But security, if you skip the practice, again later it will be difficult to understand. Immediately try to, okay. See, if you are having issues in installing virtual machines and all, directly install SQL Server in the local machine. No issues. Don't think like Oracle VirtualBox is compulsory, Windows Server is compulsory for practicing. No, for real-time setup, I am doing all these things. If you have limitations in installing Oracle VirtualBox or Windows machine, Windows Server and all, directly install SQL Server in your local laptop. Directly, like how I did the installation in the local in the Windows Server. Simply, you will open the SQL Server 2017 software. You will open the setup file. Next, install. That's it. But don't skip the practice. At least try to practice from your local machine. Okay, so if no questions are there, that's it for today, and good night, guys. Yes.
If group login is completed, then login session is completed, right? Only group login is pending.
Yeah, login creation of logins is completed. Then giving permissions is pending. Okay, how to give permissions and all on a database, on a table is pending.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So that's it for the today. Tomorrow by 7:30 p.m. we are going to connect. Okay. Tomorrow I'll show you how to, like today also we have discussed, right, how to give access on a specific database. Tomorrow we'll discuss roles. Yeah.
Okay, tomorrow you discuss roles, server roles and DB
server
roles.
roles. Yes. Server roles and database roles we'll discuss tomorrow. Then I'll show you how to give access on a specific table. Sometimes we'll get a requirement like, please give me access on a specific table. Okay, so I'll show you that as well. So with that note, and after that we have to deal the orphan users and all. Okay, once we just discussed about orphan users, then security will be completed. Okay. Might be in the next weekend, we are going to complete the security concept. Right. Okay, then that's it for today. Okay. Thank you all. Have a good night. Huh? Bye.
Good night, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah. Good night. Thank
Bye,
you.
Shanmugh.
Bye. Bye.
Okay,
Yeah. Good
bye,
night.
Shanmugh.
Good night. Yeah. Bye.
Okay, bye. Good night. Thank you, sir.
Good night. Good night. Bye.